All right, let's talk about one of the best perks you've got, the Walmart 401k match. The whole point here is to make sure you know exactly how this thing works, so you can get every single dollar of free money that's on the table for you. So I've got to ask you straight up, are you leaving free money on the table? I mean, with every single paycheck? Because honestly, if you don't get this one little detail about the plan, there's a really good chance you are. So let's just cut right to the chase. Here it is, the single most important thing you need to burn into your brain. The one-line answer: Walmart's 401k match is calculated per paycheck, not annually, per paycheck. Seriously, this one fact changes everything.
Okay, so what does per paycheck actually mean? Let's break down the core rules, because once you get these, you're well on your way to maximizing this thing. It's actually pretty simple when you lay it out. First, for every dollar you put in, Walmart puts in a dollar. That's a 100% match. Can't beat that. Second, there's a limit, of course. They'll do this up to 6% of your pay. And third, and this is the one we're going to keep hammering home, this whole bit of math happens fresh on every single paycheck.
All right, talk is cheap. Let's actually see how these rules work in the real world. We're going to walk through 3 super common scenarios so you can see the math for yourself. Okay, so here's the golden scenario. This is what you're aiming for. You put in 6% of your paycheck, and just look at that, Walmart matches you with another 6%. Boom. Just like that, you've doubled your money for that pay period. That is the goal, right there.
But hey, what if you contribute a little less? Let's say you only put in 3%. Well, Walmart still matches you 100%, but only on the 3% you put in. So you get a 3% match from them. Now, getting free money is always great, but you also just left another 3% of free money sitting on the table for that one paycheck.
And this, well, this visual says it all. This is the painful one. You contribute 0 on a paycheck, and Walmart puts in exactly 0. That match money for that check doesn't wait for you. It's not saved for later. Poof, it's just gone. Forever.
So that brings us to the biggest, most expensive mistake people make with this plan. This is the rule that so many people miss, and I'm not kidding. Over a whole career, it could literally be $1 million mistake. Okay, I really need you to let this sink in. I'm just going to read it straight up. Walmart does not look at yearly totals. There is no year-end true-up. A mismatch cannot be recovered. Now, a true-up is just a fancy term for when a company, at the end of the year, looks back and makes up for any match you missed. Walmart, they do not do that. So here's the trap people fall into. They think, hey, I'll just contribute a bunch early in the year, maybe 12%, hit my 6% goal for the whole year by June, and then contribute nothing for the rest of the year. But because there's no true-up, they get that full 6% match on those early paychecks, and then they get absolutely nothing for every single paycheck in the second half of the year. Okay, so we've seen the trap, we know the mistake. How do we avoid it and get every single dollar of that match? Well, the good news is the winning strategy is incredibly simple. Here it is. This is the whole game plan. Contribute at least 6% of your pay, and the crucial part, do it on every single paycheck, all year long. No breaks, no stopping. Consistency is absolutely everything here. So what does that actually look like in dollars and cents? Well, let's say you're an employee making $40,000 a year. If you follow this simple strategy, you put in $2,400, and Walmart gives you another $2,400. That's $2,400 of free money, just for being consistent.
So if we boil this whole thing down, what's the final takeaway? Think of it like this. Every paycheck is a single, one-time only chance to get free money. It's a total use it or lose it deal. You put in nothing on that check, you get nothing back, and that specific opportunity just vanishes. It's gone for good.
So, it really all comes down to this. Every single time you get paid, you have a choice to make. And now that you know exactly how this match works, the only question left is, what are you going to do with yours?